Guys, this is going to be our 5-minute maxi. So guys, when I say 5-minute maxi, when I'm talking and I'm giving a demo, that takes a little bit longer. But I'm talking about if you already know what to do and putting your parts together, literally it can take you 5 minutes. So if you guys see, I done lined out the way that this maxi is going to be. This is going to be a tube top maxi. And if you guys can see, it's going to be one stitch just going down the back. I'm not even doing 2 stitches. And then I'm going to fold this side over, put some elastic around the top, and then it'll be over. A 5-minute maxi. So I'm going to cut it out, guys. But when I say that, when I'm talking, it takes the videos longer. So I'm going to cut it out, and we'll get to the next step. Okay, guys, so this is the one piece, and I'm going to sew this going all the way down, guys. And when I'm done, if you can see, it's going to be 2 sleeves, and I'm going to slide them on. So this is a real simple process, and I'm going to do that just in case if you guys want to add this to your maxi. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so remember I told you guys a 5-minute maxi. So if you guys can see, the maxi is complete. I got to put the seam. So if you guys see, I'm trying to put the seam down the middle. I only did one stitch, guys, down the middle. So to be honest, this is kind of tight. I don't even have to put elastic, because a lot of times you will put elastic on it to stop it from like if you do this, bending down for it. And then, guys, they also do a lot of these maxi where they connect the little sleeves, like Gino's laying on my fabric. Could you raise up, babe? Thank you. So basically, I can take some of this leftover fabric if I want, and you know how they make the little sleeves and connect them, but it'll be tight, and I just slide my arm in. So I actually might wind up doing that. But guys, this is a 5-minute maxi, guys. 5-minute maxi dress. So if you guys want to do a maxi and you want to be done with it in a matter of minutes, guys, 5-minute maxi. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, God bless. And I was going to put elastic up here. I'm actually not. This is tight enough for me. I'm not insecure about if I bend or move, like my boobs coming out. So guys, 5-minute maxi. You guys try this out. Thank you guys. God bless. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so remember the 5-minute maxi. So this won't take too long, guys. But you see, when I sewed it the long way to make it, you know, instead of me doing 2, I just did 1. And normally some people are taking it and connect it to the dress like this. They'll take this part, guys, and they will connect it to this part of the dress. And I don't want it connected because, you know, like if I want to go up like that, I kind of feel restricted. So I actually like the fact of just having it and just putting it on. But normally, guys, if you want to, you can connect it. I might, because you might lose them that way. But you just take it and connect it to the dress right here. Then when you put it on, it connects it by right here. So that's how it'll be, guys. So 5-minute maxi with arm extenders, guys, and I just threw on these pink little shoes. So thank you guys for watching, and you guys make some awesome dresses, guys. Thank you guys so much. Love the dress. God bless. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here is a cup of steel shots that I did with the dress. Turned out pretty good, guys. So if you guys try this 5-minute maxi, once you get all your stuff put together, and what I'm meaning is after you get it cut out, know what you're going to do. When you execute it, you can have this project done in 5 minutes, lady. 5 minutes. Of course, with me talking and kind of teaching, it didn't take me quite 5 minutes, but definitely is a 5-minute video. 5-minute process, guys. Thank you guys so much, and as always, God bless.